I'm just reading through the questions I gotta answer.
Okay, Alex is here, Marcus, this is Kate, this is Dave, this is Tori, she's in her party hat, yeah.
Oh, shout out YouTube.
Yeah.
Dave playing beach volleyball.
Did you not see our first YouTube video? It's of him. Welcome back to another muchacha vlog.
Look at Dave. Look at his ponytail.
Oh, yeah. Dave.
YouTube video. Let's see your haircut.
Yeah.
Oh, it's kind of.
Ooh.
No,
It was a homemade one.
I'm liking the ponytail. Yeah. Hey guys, we're still waiting to go to the beach because I don't know why we're waiting, but we are. This lighting actually isn't bad.
Here, wait. We have to do a formal introduction.
Oh my god.
Hi guys. Welcome back to our second video.
We're supposed to visit family.
Gavin's doing I don't know what those are called.
He's doing dips. Today we're at Shirkston.
Yo, give it to Dave. Honestly, let
Dave.
For beach day. He does. Gavin, you want to be featured in it.
I'm not a TV guy. I don't like being active.
Gavin loves it. Gavin loves it on Gavin.
What a minute. He's a little shy.
Be a fake taxi. I don't want to be on your. I want to have 60 viewers, like eyeballs. I don't want to be on.
So let's get into it.
No, I.
Beach volleyball time with the pros.
Really cool.
Oh, I can't hear you.
This is the net.
Thank you.
There's water over there. This is the beach. The sand swimming. There's the volleyball.
Volleyball! Pulling up. So we're currently crushing the other team in volleyball. I'm going to show you guys a hype play here. Okay guys, we're officially live. So hopefully you guys will be okay without me for a minute. What? I brought brownies. They're burnt though.
Yo, that's out. That's out.
Yes, kid. Okay, this isn't interesting anymore. This is reviewing my brownies. What do you think? Speak loudly. Is that
very chocolatey?
Yeah.
It's very good.
What would you rate it out of 10?
It's a little bit hard, so I'd rate it 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10, okay.
Really? I give it a 10. 10 out of 10.
Maybe an 8.5.
Guys, they're actually burnt, by the way. I made them, they're burnt. Spike ball game. We got Kate and Jack. Wait, I thought you were Jack's partner.
First I was Jack's partner, then I was Kate's. Now they're together.
Oh my fuck.
That's really rude.
Beef. Jack, you ditched your partner Cassidy.
And then Kate ditched me.
Kate, you ditched Cassidy too.
It's okay, I didn't want to play anyway.
Okay, wait, which team's better here? Oh my god, there's a dog. Oh, look at him. He's so cute. Everyone's mad at Marcus.
Is Marcus.
What do you say on YouTube channel?
Marcus picked us up today at the beach. That's a fun fact about you.
That's a fun fact.
Gavin, he doesn't want to be in the vlog, but he's going to be in it. You have to introduce yourself.
What's going on?
Introduce yourself.
Oh hey, I'm taking over the channel. She's passed out. We played spike ball. It was pretty good, and now we're just all crashing. Honestly.
This is a good song. It was on Dave's birthday.